Today, we're bringing back a classic Italian chicken dinner
Perfectly cooked, succulent chicken.
with a savory, delicious tomato sauce.
Oh, every bite is sure to be a family favorite.
And that sauce is just begging for some bread. I mean,
It is.
begging.
It is so good.
I'm so excited. So I'm Chris.
You know, I'm Wesley.
And you're my hunter Loon.
That's right. Oh, cacciatore.
Cacciatore.
Yes.
Cacciatore, it means hunter. And so this legend has it that the hunters would go out and they'd either catch their dinner or they'd be so hungry from hunting they'd come home and have this.
They'd catch a chicken and cook it.
I know.
That's what we're doing. But we didn't catch the chicken.
Catch it. We ran to the grocery. We ran to our meat market.
I'm putting a little olive oil on this chicken, and Chris is salt and peppering it
So
for
we
me.
have got the 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs here, and you can do this. I just love the flavor of chicken thighs. The bone-in is always good. The skin, we're going to get nice and crispy.
Yes.
Keep it on top of the sauce so it doesn't get soggy. You can absolutely do just boneless, skinless
There's
chicken
some big
thighs.
ones and some little ones in
And
here.
you can do boneless, skinless chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. It's whatever you like. It's just they're going to vary a little bit in what the cooking time would be. I couldn't get it out.
Yes.
Yes, we've got some
okay.
chicken thighs that are a little smaller and some a little bigger. My package was a little, I don't know, it was a little all over the place.
Yeah.
But anyway, I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I have heated over medium heat.
Why did I need? Oh, because I flipped the chicken.
You flipped your chicken. So now I'm just going to place this in here, and we're going to have a pretty crowded pan, which I
That's all right.
usually say you shouldn't do, but it'll cook down a little bit. And you hear that sizzle, and what we're going to do.
Hear that sizzle.
Watch it go. We're doing this skin side down.
Little one right there.
The chicken thigh is the dark meat. It's just loaded with flavor, and it matches perfectly with that sauce. Like I said, you do whatever you like.
This dish is so, I love it. It's very retro.
I guess it is. I know. I mean, cacciatore is not something you see on menus a whole lot anymore these
It
days.
used to be like, oh, how fancy.
No, I always think of it like sort of like back in the 50s. Like, you know,
that's served at Burr's or
kids
something.
like mom would ring the doorbell well, no, like it's very family friendly is what we're trying to say. So we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes on one side. We want that skin to get nice and crispy. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to cook it another 8 minutes. It's not going to cook it completely because we're going to finish it off in the sauce, but that's to come. Okay, so now when you're going to do this, I don't have my, look at that, that looks nice.
Yeah.
It's just starting to get kind of nice and golden. This went about 8 minutes. You're going to get some that are going to stick to the skillet. That's okay. That's building in tons of flavor for that sauce. And well, like I said, these have been going about 8 minutes. We're going to flip these, let them go for about another approximately 8 minutes. And then we get the fun, and that's building the sauce.
Yes.
Yay. Okay, so now we've transferred those over to our platter, a clean platter.
This is our chicken dish.
Your chicken dish. And now we've got, this is 2 medium onions or 1 large one that I've cut into strips. This is gonna cook down. I just put that chicken, the skin is gonna naturally release a little bit of grease, a little fat, little chicken fat is
That's
nothing wrong with that.
okay.
And it's gonna just help these onions cook into absolute deliciousness. You do need a little oil, so if you didn't use the chicken skin, and like I said, so I didn't use my non-stick skillet, which I should have done because some of my skin stuck here a little bit. But that's okay. Like I said, when you start deglazing,
Well, you've made this without the chicken skin.
yeah, that's what I was going to say. If you don't use the chicken skin, you're not going to get that rendered fat, and so you're probably going to need to add, say, another tablespoon of olive oil or butter.
Skin or no skin, it is delicious.
I'm telling you, it's really all about that sauce. So we're going to let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until it starts to cook down, and then we add other amazing stuff. Okay. I love the smell of that. When onions start to reduce like that and they just start to caramelize, that is a magical smell, I tell you. Now we're going to make it even more magical, and we are going to add 6 cloves of garlic. We're cooking Italian, so we're going to add a nice amount of garlic, but not too much. And
I love a good chicken dish.
I do too. Doesn't everybody love a good chicken dish?
What's our other favorite chicken dishes? Or what are you
we
doing
have
there?
so many.
Sorry.
Now I'm adding 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and we are going to just let these continue to cook until they get soft and they start to release their liquid. Our others, oh my gosh! I mean,
Well, we got
could
that
go
other.
on
Oh, that
forever.
other that we do the chicken thighs. The Tuscan chicken.
The Tuscan
and then
chicken
there's
is
a
delicious.
creamy Tuscan chicken.
Yes, and then
And
there's
then,
those are our Italian chicken,
Yes.
and then we've got, of course, your chicken parmesan.
yeah.
But if we're going other cuisine chickens, we love our chicken fricassee.
Oh yes.
We could go on all day just talking chicken.
I just wanted to show the pictures of all of our other
He's
recipes.
so proud of his pictures. Okay, so we're gonna like I said, we're gonna let this cook until they get nice and soft, and then we just keep on building. Okay. Oh, and that just smells so good. Now, this is one of my favorite parts. We're going to add a cup of good quality white wine. This is just a Chardonnay. And now, this is the part where you can just get your spatula and start to use that liquid to
Deglaze.
that's called deglazing your pan, and it'll start to come up.
all those.
There's so much flavor built into those bits down there. Anyway, we're going to continue doing this until most of the wine has evaporated out. It's just going to impart this great flavor.
It smells so good.
Smells amazing. Like 99.9% of the alcohol will go away. If you do not want to cook with wine, then you can just skip the wine and just double your broth.
Yeah.
Okay. Yum. Oh, smell. Okay. Wow. All right. So now you see most of that liquid is evaporated out. So now we've got our San Marzano. We love our San Marzano tomatoes. Those are whole tomatoes. We're doing our trick, which is.
Well, Chris has let me do it.
And I know I'm going to get it in the eye probably. But what I love to do is just squeeze it into the pan with your hands. There you go. Oh my eye! You get more flavor. I promise you. I don't know why, but you do. This is salt I added. I added about a teaspoon and a quarter, and then like a half a teaspoon of black pepper. This is one of those things that, all right, it doesn't have to be complete.
I just don't want to squirt.
It's all right. It's gonna simmer for about anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, and those tomatoes will continue to break down. You're so meticulous.
All right, here we go.
And then we've got pour that sauce in there.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
Nice and messy.
Nice and messy, the way we like it. And then
All right, hold on. I got some chicken to give you.
I know you do. Okay. So we're going to let this.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look great?
When did you put in those herbs?
We're going to do it when we put in the chicken.
Okay.
So now we've got this amazing sauce that will just continue to meld incredible flavors. And go ahead and just nestle. I love nestling. We're going to nestle that chicken.
I'll put him front and center right there.
Okay, there you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start. We've got 3 herb sprigs, three sprigs of thyme, which are one of my favorite herbs, and then we've got some rosemary here that we're going to add, and then we've got some fresh bay leaves. I've got 2 bay leaves, so I've got 1 sprig of rosemary, 3 sprigs of thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Fresh or dried will work, and we're just going to let this simmer. Now, try not to, especially the skin that's got that beautiful gold top. Try not to submerge it too much because it'll lose some of its crispiness. We lost some of our skin here, but
All right,
trust
then
me,
submerge them.
it's going to be, then let's go ahead and submerge it. So we're going to let this simmer now until it gets fully cooked, and that sauce just becomes the most succulent, amazing sauce. And I'm going to turn it down to just a nice simmer.
Eat then?
Soon, yes, and then we can eat. And that's going to take about anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. I'd say 35 minutes. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I know, isn't that so?
Sauce.
Let this go for about 35 minutes, as I said. You can let it go longer, let it reduce, but we were like, I'm ready to eat.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to remove these herbs. They've done their job. They've imparted wonderful, wonderful flavor. And oh my gosh, you guys.
Yes.
If people aren't still making this, I don't understand why, because it's just so.
I know.
So
it's so good.
Now, if we were really, really on top of things, we would have. I'm going to give you a little sauce.
Yes.
First. This is wonderful over pasta, over polenta, over rice, over mashed potatoes.
Oh, yeah, mashed potatoes.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, if there was ever a Sunday chicken dinner, this is it.
Oh, yes. On top, please.
On top. That skin is nice and crisp. Wow, look at that.
Oh.
It's good and hot for you, Wesley.
I know.
So blow on it. I know. You're gonna. Well, we always do this.
Oh, put a little sauce in the
I
bottom.
know. I'm going to. I love the mushrooms.
Wow.
And you see, like we have our family members who are not big onion fans. They like them in moderation, but you see the onions really
reduce down.
And if you didn't know, you probably wouldn't even really know they were there. Okay. Oh no, we got to make this really pretty.
Yes.
You got a little parsley, little chopped parsley, because
Yay!
that makes it look better.
That is gorgeous, Chris. That is gorgeous, if I do say so myself.
I think you should say so yourself. I'd
right.
say so too. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I know.
I'm gonna hurt myself.
No,
I've got to figure out where that bone is not.
That's why God gave you hot air to blow on it. Oh, the meat is so tender.
You guys, I'm just.
And I do this with boneless breasts all the time, and it's so good.
That is a big piece. I can't do that. That'll hurt. Guys, look at that. Oh, I just salivated.
Salivated. I know. I'm counting.
Look at the cute little bowls.
So cute. All right, let's go ahead. Let's do it. Take it for the team. This is, I'm telling
Wow.
I don't know. I don't think my grandma ever made this, and I'm shocked because this is like got grandma written all over it.
I know.
So comfort.
Oh, it is.
It's the ultimate comfort. I just, oh my gosh. I know what I'm having tonight.
And my skin on top is good.
It's good, right? Yeah.
Talking with my mouth full.
Well, that's
oh, wow. Y'all, and I put a little bread on our plates just to sop up that amazing
The
sauce.
sauce, you guys. Have you made chicken cacciatore before? You probably have. Hopefully, we're making you think.
I gotta make some.
We're gonna make that.
You need to. That is 100,000% Loon approved. That is so good.
That is perfect. It is Sunday dinner written all over.
It is.
But it's really not that hard. You can do it any night of the week. You need
I
to
felt
make.
like we went and hunt that chicken ourselves.
We did. It's the hunter's dream. We hunted this recipe down, and we just love it.
So
love
good,
it.
you
Love it. Love it.
guys. So
all right,
good.
bye everybody.
Bye.
Go.
Make a chicken.
Hunt.
A chicken.
Hunt for some chicken and make it.